Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna talk about summer skincare essentials, and I'll be sharing 5 things which I do it on daily basis to deal with this hot weather. So let's begin. First and foremost thing to do is drink 2 to 3 liters of water. Now this is not a secret guys, and everyone knows about it. Now for a change, what you can do is you can make detox water. Just take 1 liter of water and add few slices of lemon to it, and if you like ginger you can put ginger also, and sip it throughout the day. And it not only hydrates your skin, but it also gives a good glow to your skin internally. So this is the best thing that you can do it in summers for sure. Next guys is moisturizer, and you need to moisturize yourself externally as well. Yes, so people generally do not follow this in summers. They feel there's already a lot of oil, but we are sweating and losing all the moisture. So it is really important for us to use a good moisturizer, like a water based moisturizer at night after shower. You can use it. And I've been using this Cetaphil moisturizing lotion, which is really great, which really works great for my skin. It not only soothes the skin, but it also soothes the sun allergies or sunburns. This was recommended by my dermat. You can definitely try this out. This is really great for your skin. When you go out, you tend to get a suntan, or you can get sun allergies. And here I want to tell you guys that using a pharmaceutical sunscreen is very important rather than using a cosmetic sunscreen. It doesn't matter what SPF you're using, whether it can be like 20, 30 or 50, it really doesn't matter. What matters is the quantity. Generally, doctors suggest that using a quantity this much is very important on your face, hands, the body parts which are exposed to sun. So that is most important thing. And another thing is that you should wear a sunscreen at least 15 minutes before stepping out in the sun. I've been using this sunscreen called Sunstop since long, and this is oil free, and it is waterproof as well. All the details about this sunscreen I will give it in the description box below. You can just go and check it. So before talking about the face wash, I would like to tell you about my skin. I have dry skin, and in summers it tends to get quite oily on my T-zone area. So all the products that I'm sharing here are working really well for my skin, and all are suggested by my dermatologist. Now let's talk about this face wash that I'm using. Trust me guys, this is one of the best products I've ever used, and it is so free, and it doesn't dry out the skin. It has very refreshing fragrance, and it doesn't clog your pores. It can be used both by men and women. You can surely try this, especially in summers. This is highly recommended. Most of us use deodorants or perfumes, and at times it tends to make our skin dark. So if you want to skip perfumes, you can use fragrance lotion, and I have this fragrance lotion from Victoria's Secret. It really smells good, and the smell stays for very long time. So you can surely try this one, and let me know in the comment section if you like this one. Other than these things, what you can do is you can sprinkle a antifungal powder on your body folds after you come out of shower, and you can also carry a face mist in your bag, or you can have those small perfume bottles to just spray it whenever it is required. And the crucial thing I want to mention here in this video is that lot of people use this wet wipes, and these wet wipes have preservatives. That's the reason they smell really good. So when you're using it, you're actually putting a lot of preservatives and the chemicals on your face. So try and avoid those wet wipes. Those are strictly no for your skin. Hope you've liked the video and let me know in the comment section if you have any suggestions or feedback. Until then, bye guys.